It's a lazy morning, and the kids decided to sleep in a bit longer than usual today. With their messy hair and sleepy eyes, they came into the kitchen asking for some breakfast. I first prepared some bonvita for them, kept it aside, and I started off with some masala omelette. So, for the masala omelette, I just added a few onions, threw in some green chilies and some coriander leaves. Then I added some chili powder, haldi powder, and some salt. Then I added two eggs and gave it a good whisk. Then today I made the omelette with butter. Usually I make it with either ghee or just some regular cooking oil. But today I made it with butter. Then I prepared some butter toast. I did not make a sandwich today because I wasn't in a mood to, stack everything up. So I just prepared some omelette and gave them bread on the side so that they can have it like a roti. So, in a leisurely atmosphere like this, there is always a beauty in slowing down and savoring the little joys that a lazy morning can offer. So, start your day with a beautiful morning.